Will EU citizens still be able to access healthcare in the UK after Brexit? If you are an EU citizen living in Wales before the end of the transition period, then yes, but you must apply to the EU settlement scheme as soon as possible. This is very important. Those who don't and miss the deadline of 30th of June 2021 will stop being classed as legal resident and may be refused services like healthcare and welfare, or may even be asked to leave the UK. So what do you need to do to continue accessing frontline services? For EU citizens living in the UK before the end of transition, 31st of December 2020, you will need to have pre-settled or settled status under the EU SS before the deadline, 30th of June 2021, to continue accessing NHS services free of charge. If you are planning a trip to the UK after Brexit and are not a permanent resident, the European Health Insurance Card will stop being valid. So while you still be able to access healthcare in the UK, you should consider buying private travel insurance, as you may be charged for treatment. This does depend on the future relationships between the UK and the EU, however. If you want to know more about your rights as a European citizen after Brexit, follow the links in the description box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.